In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your bank account in Wise. Whether you're updating your details or adding a new bank to your Wise account, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's jump right in and get started. First, open the Wise app or visit the Wise website in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're connected to the internet and ready to log in. Once you've reached the Wise interface, it's time to enter your login information. Carefully type in your credentials and log into your account. This step is crucial because having access to your account is necessary to make changes to your bank details. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the profile section. Look around for your profile icon. It's usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile to open a menu with various options. From the menu that appears, locate and click on Payment Methods. This section is important as it's where all the magic happens regarding your connected bank accounts. By navigating here, you will find everything related to your existing and potential future bank connections within Wise. Now, let's talk about connected bank accounts. Click on Connected Bank Accounts to bring up a list of the bank accounts you currently have linked to your Wise profile. If you already have a bank account connected here, this is where you can make any necessary changes. Simply select the account you'd like to update and follow the on-screen instructions to make any modifications or switch it out for a different account. Wise does a great job at guiding you through this with clear prompts, so don't worry if this sounds a little complicated at first glance. In case you haven't added any bank account yet, don't worry, it's equally straightforward. Click the option that says Connect Your Bank Account. As you click this, Wise will take you through a step-by-step process to link your account, with prompts designed to facilitate a smooth setup. Pay close attention to each prompt and fill in the details as required. It's usually a fast process, but be sure to have your bank details handy just to keep things moving along efficiently. And that's it. Once you have either updated or added your bank account, your new information will be saved in Wise, making your transactions smooth and seamless. Remember that keeping your financial details up to date ensures that your transactions are processed without a hitch. I hope this guide was easy to understand and you're now more confident about managing your bank accounts in Wise. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.